Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy golds on Etoro. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Etoro application or go to Etoro website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the top search bar, you can just search gold, or you can go to discover from the left side of the screen. From here you can see all the trading instruments. Click to commodities. From here you can see gold. Click on it. And from here click to trade. Then you will find an option for buying. Click to buy. This is how you can buy gold on Etoro. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.